Everyone, today we discuss about the set. At first starting the sets, they are useful to some symbol of the sets and set of the natural numbers. I or Z set of the integers, Q set of the rational numbers, R set of the real numbers, R plus set of the positive real number, C set of complex number. Complex number, just for example 2 plus 3i, this is the complex numbers. This symbol is an element of or belongs to. This is not an element of or does not belongs to. This is the universal set. This symbol is such that. This symbol is known as the implicit or null set. This is a subset of. This is the superset of. This is the proper subset of. This symbol is union, intersection, difference. This is the symmetric difference. For all, there exists, implies, if IFF or if and only if or implies or imply by. This is the some symbol of their sets which are used in these chapters. Now, at first starting introduction of the sets. The concept of sets from the basic of modern mathematics. Today, this concept is being used in the elements every branch of mathematics. Concept of sets are used in the study of relations and function, which are very useful in modern mathematics. It is also in the probability. So the theory of set was developed by the German mathematician Georg Cantor. Okay, now what is a set? A collection of well-defined objects is called a set. A collection of students who are studying class, and this is a set. But if we say a collection of students, then this is not a set. A set is represented by listing all elements between the braces and by separating them from each other by commas. Sets are usually denoted by the capital letters of the English alphabet, while the elements are denoted in the general by small letters. For example, if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 belongs to A, 6 is not belongs to A. Okay. So this symbol is the Greek symbol which is denoted by the phrase belongs to. Now, representation of sets. There are two representations. Two ways to represent the set: tabular form or raster form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 dot, and set builder form. This X is such that S belongs to N. This is the language form. Okay. Now, types of sets. There are many types of sets. Finite set. A set having finite number of elements is called the finite sets. For example, A barabar 1, 2, 3, B barabar A, B, C, D, T, C. Infinite sets. A set which is not a finite is called the infinite set. Example, A barabar 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. Cardinal number. The number of elements in a finite set is called the cardinal number of sets. A barabar 1, 2, 3, then A barabar 3. B equal to A, E, I, O, U, then B barabar 5. Equivalent sets. Two finite sets A and B are said to be equivalent if they have the same cardinal numbers. Thus sets A and B are equivalent if a number of element of A equal to number of element B. Example, A were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of elements of A is 5, so that N A equal to 5, and B equal to A, E, I, O, U. Then the number of element of B is 5, so that N B equal to 5. So A and B are the equivalent sets. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if each element of A is an element of B and each element of B is an element of A. For example, A barabar 1, 2, 3. 1 belongs to B, 2 is also belongs to B, and 3 also belongs to A. So that each element of A belongs to each element of B, and each element of B belongs to each element of A. So A and B are the equal sets. Null set or empty set or void set. A set having no element is called the null set. It is denoted by phi or bracket. This is the set of the even number not divisible by 2. So what is the even number? Those number which is divisible by 2. So that this is the empty set. The set of immortal. This is the empty set. Singleton set. A set having single element is called the singleton set. A barabar 1. Pair set. A set having two elements is called the pair set. For example, B barabar AC. Set of set. A set as having all its elements as a set is called the set of sets or family of the sets or class of the sets. Example, A barabar 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a set of sets having three elements 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are the themselves sets. So this is the types of set. Also next classes we discuss about many types of set subset, proper subset, union, intersection. So at first also we subscribe of these channels. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.